Did you ever think that cryptocurrency has the potential to dominate the future monetary system, reshaping the way we perceive and transact in the digital age? You will find yourself captivated while listening to some of the legend's predictions on cryptocurrency. We will bring some of those to you in today's video. Let's get started. Number 1. Denko Mancheski, CEO, Reef, the future of humankind. The future of cryptocurrency is the future of humankind. It's exciting to think that the future of cryptocurrency could be closely intertwined with the future of humankind. It's great to hear that there is potential for success. It's important to handle things the right way to make the most of them. That means taking proactive steps to ensure compliance with smart regulations and implementing effective Know Your Customer (KYC) and anti-money laundering (AML) measures where necessary. These steps are a positive step towards safeguarding both cryptocurrency projects and their users. And it continues. Supporters of this perspective believe that highlighting practical applications can bring about positive change. It's exciting to think about how blockchain technology and cryptocurrencies have the potential to improve people's lives. Just think about the possibilities of making fast and borderless transactions with ease, having complete ownership of digital assets, and enjoying quicker and more transparent real-world transactions and processes. Those benefits sound promising. Number 2. Cheng Wang, CEO, Alphium Decentralization, in a multi-chain space. The future of crypto is decentralized. Future potential is intriguing. Decentralization will boost crypto's future. It's amazing that it'll be multi-chain. Many chains satisfy various demands, user experience, and decentralization-focused blockchains will succeed. Bridges between protocols and communities will help the projects that survive. New ecosystems will solve security and efficiency problems. The cryptosphere can use past failures to make cryptography more accessible and intelligible. Markets can rebalance. Automation can streamline value exchange. This might considerably minimize political conflict, like open source projects. Tribes will collaborate globally and branch out when faced with problems. That's the beauty. Anything can happen. Number 3. Sino Global Capital, a billion-person vision for blockchain. No longer were we targeting 1 million users. That vision was expanded to 1 billion users and an on-chain value of $10 trillion. Solana's calculated partnerships are laying the foundations for a vibrant ecosystem. It's great news that Solana natively supports both USDC and USDT. This makes it a strong contender in the world of decentralized finance, alongside Algorand and Ethereum, which are the only other blockchains that support both assets. With strong primitives or building blocks available, supporting 1B users on-chain is achievable. These primitives offer a wide range of useful functionalities, such as stable stores of value, stablecoins, borrowing and lending protocols, oracles, asset pools, and more. Serum is a groundbreaking infrastructure that Solana has made possible and has the potential to transform multiple $1 trillion plus industries. Serum is an exciting experiment that aims to bring the full centralized exchange experience to the decentralized world at scale. Number 4. Warren Buffett. Before I say what Warren Buffett said, let me remind you to hit that subscribe button and turn on notifications so you never miss a video from us. I will never own cryptocurrency. Legendary investor Warren Buffett has a different perspective on cryptocurrency. In the past, he expressed some skepticism towards Bitcoin, but it's possible that his views have changed since then. Buffett's investment strategy focuses on identifying businesses and assets that have the potential to generate value in the long run. In his view, cryptocurrencies have the potential to produce great value through speculation, which could lead to positive price movements. Buffett's business partner and renowned investor Charlie Munger holds a different perspective on cryptocurrency. Munger's statement about crypto may not be entirely accurate, and there are still many potential benefits and opportunities that can arise from it. Number 5. Ran Hammer, VP, BizDev, Orbs, Open and Permissionless Web3. Ethereum, DeFi, and NFTs will play an immense role in the future of the internet. I'm extremely optimistic about the future of the blockchain and crypto industry. I firmly believe that Ethereum, DeFi, and NFTs will play a significant role in shaping the future of the internet. There are diverse perspectives on how the metaverse should be shaped, with some big tech companies aiming to acquire substantial real estate in this new realm, while others are determined to maintain its openness. It's exciting to think about the possibilities of creating a metaverse future. By combining various technologies and industries such as AR, VR, ad tech, e-commerce, social platforms, and blockchain technology, we can make it happen. It's great to see the potential of Web 3.0 is being recognized, with Ethereum and other competitors providing a strong infrastructure backbone for a variety of decentralized software layers to operate on top. Number 6. Michael Saylor. Bitcoin could hit $500,000 sometime in the next decade. The co-founder and executive chairman of technology company MicroStrategy, Michael Saylor, made headlines this year with his optimistic Bitcoin predictions. In September 2022, the crypto bull expressed optimism that Bitcoin would reach its previous all-time high of $69,000 within the next 4 years. Saylor's prediction is that Bitcoin has the potential to reach an impressive $500,000 per coin within the next decade. He also said Bitcoin has the potential to become a non-sovereign store of value asset that could replace gold in the future. Saylor successfully led MicroStrategy's acquisition of a significant amount of Bitcoin between 2020 and 2021. Saylor is one of the most well-known crypto bulls in the space, along with Cathie Wood. MicroStrategy's making great strides in developing enterprise technology that will simplify the process of sending and receiving Bitcoin for businesses. Number 7. Mark Cuban. I can see an unlimited number of applications that will change the biz/consumer world forever. Mark Cuban, the owner of the Dallas Mavericks and a star of Shark Tank, is a well-known advocate for crypto. Cuban's interest in the use cases of protocols like Ethereum sets him apart from other investors who solely focus on the monetary value of cryptocurrencies. Cuban's early success in the internet industry has given him a positive outlook on the Ethereum smart contract technology. He believes that it has the potential to be a game changer on the same level as the internet. The famous investor's portfolio is heavily invested in Bitcoin and Ethereum, which show great potential for growth. He believes that Bitcoin is unmatched as a store of value. He sees Bitcoin as a safe and stable option in the world of cryptocurrencies. Number 8. WeMoney. Crypto is taking over traditional finance. Crypto is more than a passing fad. It's here to stay and may replace traditional finance as we know it. The rise of cryptocurrencies and NFTs have brought about a new era of investing, with a large number of people choosing to invest in these exciting new opportunities over traditional stocks. Despite the warnings from regulators, the adoption of this technology is continuing to grow, which is a positive sign. Australian investors have made some key findings. Over a third of people are considering investing in crypto next year. Almost 30% of people believe that crypto has the potential to replace traditional finance. It's great to see that cryptocurrencies and NFTs are gaining more popularity compared to traditional stocks, and surprisingly, how quickly crypto is becoming mainstream, with even some Australian old and traditional institutions adopting it in their banking apps. Number 9. Vitalik Buterin, the co-founder of Ethereum. Although he's careful about making predictions about crypto, we can still gain valuable insights from his comments over the years. In a 2022 interview with independent journalist Noah Smith, Vitalik expressed his positive outlook on the potential for decreasing price volatility in the world of cryptocurrencies. In the past, there have been concerns about the existence of cryptocurrencies, but it's important to remember that they have persevered through uncertainty. The uncertainty has been mitigated, and Vitalik is optimistic that it will continue to decrease, which could lead to greater price stability in the future. Vitalik's transparency is admirable, as he recently shared a tweet thread at the start of 2022, reflecting on his past predictions and acknowledging which ones were accurate and which ones were not. Number 10. Elon Musk. Bitcoin will make it, but might be a long winter. The notorious CEO of Tesla, SpaceX, and Twitter had some challenges in the past with digital currencies. His notoriety suggests that even a small indication about crypto pricing could have an impact on the markets, even though he's not typically known for making direct price predictions. Despite the downturn in the cryptocurrency market, he expressed optimism in November 2022 by tweeting, quote, "Bitcoin will make it, although it may take some time." Musk's influence on the price of Dogecoin has been significant in the past, such as during his appearance on Saturday Night Live, which resulted in a temporary decrease in value. The billionaire successfully oversaw the sale of almost $1 billion worth of Bitcoin that Tesla had purchased. He has hinted that his businesses will soon start accepting Bitcoin and Dogecoin as payment, which is great news. And there you have it, a brief overview of what the experts are saying about the future of cryptocurrency. As with any investment, it's important to do your own research and consider your risk tolerance before investing in cryptocurrencies. Thanks so much for watching, and be sure to subscribe to our channel for more expert advice on finance, cryptocurrency, and investing. See you in the next video.